she feels that I waste her products. She applied it for like 10 minutes already, right? Then the alarm ring already. Then she take out, she say, nah, give you. Then she give me already, right? She don't feel guilty. She just like, you, I always take my mask. Like, waste my mask.
Hi, I'm Xiao Qian.
And I'm Jonathan. Together since
2016.
Oops. I like how she is now. So what is it now?
Cheesy.
This is matte or glue or glossy?
This is Dao.
No, not Dao. Today we'll be trying out all 3 steps of the H2 skincare.
Okay, the first one we have here is the Hydrogen Whitening Booster. And this helps to whiten and brighten up your skin. And?
I think it helps to improve skin texture and
even up skin tone. This is a non-sticky formula and it allows your skin to breathe throughout the day.
You look white now?
I feel like it's more even out. Like the colour, like it feels like you put on CC cream.
CC cream. SISSY?
No, like
CC.
Like ABCC.
Oh, CC. It's my first time putting anything on my face.
Yeah. Because I always don't allow him to touch my face. Because his hands very dirty.
You look good.
Spread. You should use your ring finger.
My ring finger.
It's the spread.
Good.
So this emulsion thingy will help to moisturize your skin and hydrate your skin.
Oh, it feels refreshing actually. Very cooling.
It will give you a natural glow.
Am I glowing?
Facial massage.
First time, guys. First time.
Yeah, to me I think it feels very
It looks very good.
good.
Yeah, her face is glowing now. She looks a lot healthier. Before that she was quite pale. Now she has like more colours to her skin tone.
Step 3, this is the Hydrogen Glass Skin Essence. And it's packed with hydrogen antioxidant to fight against free radicals, and it enhances the glass skin effect which we just used just now, and you can use it anytime and anywhere. You feel anything?
Oh, feels good.
Oh yeah, it feels good.
Also, it's not wet. This one is dripping down, like some water dripping down.
Because when I used the emulsion, right, it was sticky. But after I used the essence, I feel like the moisture is being locked down into my skin. Something going in, like.
Just cannot explain the feeling actually. It feels good.
But it's cooling.
It feels very good.
Because my skin is dull, so I will look very tired and I look very pale, like most of the time. And for him, because his skin is very dry, he has colours but it's dry. It's like matte, yeah. But I think that after he put the emulsion, he has more natural glow and definitely healthier. So
now she can spot me in the crowd. Actually, I like to see her like that every day.
sure.
Because I always tell her that she don't look very healthy, she look very pale. That's the exact words I say lah. But after she put this, I think she looks like Korean, a bit healthier.